Hey, hello buddies! My name is Alexander and I'm a professional cook. Today I wanna show you how to prepare an easy peasy carrot cake. Yeah, I'm still having my breakfast, but I'm almost ready to start. Recently I uploaded 2 video recipes about Russian pancakes and chocolate tartlet. These videos are amazing, but they remain still a little bit funny for me, cause I made them something like 5 years ago, and at the time I was really young, the technology was different, and etc. But right now, especially during this boring quarantine time, I wanna restart my playlist with new, easy dessert recipes. So, let's stop talking and let's start doing. Alright, I'm gonna start peeling some carrots and grate them. In the end, we should have 400 grams. Now add 400 grams of sugar and mix. Add 4 eggs and homogenize everything. Add 400 grams of sifted flour and mix again. Usually I add some lemon peel. Add 1 soaking of baking powder and incorporate it. Finally, add 100 grams of seed oil. Personally, I prefer sunflower seed oil. Grease and flour the pan. Transfer the mixture inside it. And cook at 160 degrees for 45 minutes. Let it cool down a little bit and transfer on a plate. Now you can enjoy your cake. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.